Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to design a stunning book cover using Canva. I'm gonna teach you how to design a book cover using Canva. First, we'll start by opening Canva and select a plain white sheet. Since the book is related to jungle animals, we'll tailor our design accordingly. We'll add some jungle animals like bear, giraffe, lion, monkey and a few more. Canva has a great selection for this. Next, we'll enhance the background with a lush green jungle background to set the scene. To add a title that pops, we'll start by adding a circle shape and coloring it orange. Then, we'll choose a suitable font and write the Jungle Friends or your book title on it. And just like that, our vibrant book cover is ready to grab attention. Now let's go back to the main Canva page, navigate to apps and open mockups. We'll select a book mockups and apply our design to make it look realistic. And there you have it, a professional looking book cover designed right here on Canva. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in designing your own book cover. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. See you next time.